Marpas is an Italian company who are into high precision products manufacturing required in the shop floor, either on the machine or outside the machine. It will not only help in the productivity improvement, also it has a vital role in giving the very good products on the consistent basis. The major user of these products are automotive industries, and also now the aerospace industries could be a potential user of these products. Considering this scenario, this is the first time we have decided to participate in this aerospace exhibition with an intention that people who are catering to the high precision product manufacturing to the aerospace industry, they can depend on Marpas. There are a lot of things which Marpas can offer to those industries who are into this field, and they can take the benefit out of it. Just to give a small insight, on the machining centers and VMCs where high precision products are being made, they can use special touch probes or sensors as inspection devices, by using which they can produce very good quality products in a consistent basis. At the same time, when we speak about the aerospace industry, we also have a product from company called Kern, who are giving a lot of assembly equipments which can be used for assembling the various critical parts inside the aerospace engine. They are a company who are making a lot of these type of products being sold to a lot of various engine manufacturers around the world, which includes even Rolls-Royce and Pratt & Whitney and all the people. So one of the intention is that even in India, people who are into these type of business, overhauling the aerospace engine or manufacturing activity and assembly activity, they can make use of this. This is the objective we are looking forward in Marpas as far as the India goes. Say at the moment, our major business is to the automotive industries. Practically, you name any automotive industry, starting from our Indian companies like Maruti, Tata, Mahindra, and foreign companies like Ford, General Motors, or even Fiat. Practically everyone is a Marpas customer. It's a very well-known product. Marpas is treated as a quality partner in the field of manufacturing. When you speak about high precision manufacturing, whether it is automotive, whether it is a bearing industry, let's say when the submicron needs to be manufactured, it is an absolute necessity to use a product like Marpas, which will help each and every manufacturing division to give best results out of manufacturing methods. In India, our head office is located in Manesar, which is close to Delhi, and we have four main branches, one in Ahmedabad, Pune, as well as in Bangalore. We also have resident engineers in Chennai as well as Jamshedpur. Also recently we opened up one more small setup in Aurangabad. But we have around 3,000 installations all over India, spread in every corner of India, and we are around 60 people in India. Most of them are engineers, either taking care of the sales as well as service, highly talented, highly experienced, and capable of doing maximum engineering type of job in the field what is required. See, if you look at globally, Marpas is highly recognized in the automotive industry as one of the best quality partner. In fact, when any new company starts a new engine project, automotive engine project, they call Marpas, share all the drawings, and ask them to work on each and every quality parameter and suggest them what is the best manufacturing technique. Whereas the automotive is one segment where we have already established, but we want to extend this capability and our quality, let's say the capability in this area, extend it to even aerospace, which we feel is definitely desirable, because aerospace as a whole, if you see, is a very upcoming industry. If you look at India, there is a lot of potential, and there is a lot of initiative taken by governments for setting up a lot of aerospace related manufacturing activity. By looking at it, we felt it is the right time to show that we can be part of the aerospace industry, and we can give a lot of benefits to the people who are working on that area. That is one of the reasons. See, just to give one example, in our product range, we have something called a monitoring system manufactured by a company called Artis. It is our group company. There are people, when they have to manufacture very high precision component, they will monitor the manufacturing process continuously, record the data, store the data. That means the actual manufacturing process program is stored, kept with them, and if there is a field complaint, if the engine fails, or aerospace part fails, or even a satellite part fails in the field, they can go back to the manufacturing and evaluate where exactly was the problem, whether it was due to a material defect, whether it is due to the process defect, whether it is due to a tooling defect. They can identify and rectify. These are the very, very special, unique techniques are available, which we are in a position to share with the local people, whomever is interested and getting into that business, which otherwise is very, very difficult to make a judgment what went wrong exactly. So this is the area. No, we feel definitely there is definite scope. In fact, we were also discussing that every year, this is a purely civil aviation exhibition. Also, there is an exhibition being held in Bangalore, maybe next year or so, mainly concentrating on both civil as well as military applications. We have already planned to have stall and display over there, which we feel in next 1 year there will be a lot of improvements will happen in this regard. Certainly, we would participate in the next exhibition as well. See, for our type of product range, we cannot expect or we don't anticipate some business to be settled in the booth or in the participation area. But it is more of a giving an awareness to the customer. This is one of the solution available for the problem. So once they know it, they later on, whenever they face a similar problem or when the need arises, they will come back to us and we are in a position to give the solution. And also they can immediately correlate when in the future, when they hear a manufacturing problem, if somebody says Marpas is having a solution for this, they can immediately correlate that they have seen this in the exhibition and they can contact them. Our contact numbers are available, address is available. That is how the business goes on. It's not a consumer product where we can sell it off the shelf or in the booth. The objective is to show that we are available. We are available also in India. These are the possible solutions available for you. You can take the benefit whenever you want. So that happens as a process.